How's it, everyone? Here's my fishy big carp liquid food as promised. Let's go, buddy! You can use any type of fish you want, including canned tuna. Some fresh prawns. Some canned mussels. A tablespoon of MSG, a tablespoon of betaine HCl, some feeding salt, some water-soluble vitamins and minerals, and as always, glucose and glycerine. I use about 500 grams glycerine and 700 grams glucose. It makes about a liter of liquid food. This is called bokoms, which is a favorite South African food. It is dried mullet. You can add the liquid foods with anything you want, and they are PVA friendly. Always get them on the naturals and take your angling to the next level. Why buy it when you can make it? Tight lines.